This is Convergence, a tile-based puzzle game where the player controls 4 characters at once. The game has 21 levels of increasing difficulty. The goal is to reach the Pharaoh, which is here. So we have 2 characters on here. This is the 1 movement character, the most basic character, and this is the 2 tile character. The 2 tile character can only move 2 tiles if both of them are free. So as you see, we're not able to get to the Pharaoh. This is a gate. Gates, this is the closed gate, this is an open gate. When the button's pressed, the button controls all the gates on the level. This is an oil patch. When a character travels over an oil patch, it will move it to the next tile. Using these oil patches, we can move the player to the column so that we can actually get to the goal. Let's try a harder level. So this level has 3 characters. These are the same 2 as before, and this is the sliding character. We also have a new tile, which is the teleport. So the teleport will teleport a character to the same, or the teleporter with the corresponding color. It will also spit the character out on a tile in the direction that they were moving. For example, when we go down, it shoots the player down here. So now we need to get the sliding character to the goal, as it's the most restricted movement. Next up, we need to get this character over here, which is kind of difficult as the columns don't match up perfectly. You can use the oil to fix this. In this game, I worked with 3 other people. Eric Serini focused on creating interesting and challenging puzzles. Leo Bunya created story beats, which is the text at the end of each level when you beat a story level. The music, and the art for our prototype. Matt Spooner worked as a fellow programmer to implement each character movement and tile mechanic. I worked on the game manager, which spawns all the things and loads the board manager. And I also worked on the board manager and the UI manager. The current prototype is completely playable from start to finish. The prototype also includes a custom level builder to allow the players to create their own levels and share them. The level builder works pretty simply. You left click to cycle through each tile. The right click will change to an alternate version of that tile. So for example, with teleports, it changes the color as teleporting matches senses the matching color teleporter. For gates, it will open and close them. For spawns, it will change which character it spawns. You can then load and save them. You can change the number of rows and columns you want to make it kind of crazy. Yeah. Here's an example of a custom level. So moving forward, it would have been interesting to make an online level sharing system similar to Mario Maker, where the users could upload their own levels. We also thought about adding Twitch integration, as we thought that might be kind of funny. So yeah, that's Convergence.